Hello everyone. Well, today is a rainy day in Quartzsite and we had the rain. It just let up just a little sprinkles right now. But the washes are filling up. Well, I think I'm gonna go through a wash in a little bit. Ron and I and Shutterbug are going out for dinner. But this is what my camp looks like. We had a bunch of ladies over here and Ron. We were playing cards, or not cards, a card game. Well, we were playing this game, finally. But then the floor was turning into a kind of a swimming pool. So, but we got to play for a little while. So, and this is the results. So I had my heater going. So it was a good time. Thank you ladies for all showing up to play. Now, I gotta go jump in the truck. Gonna go out for dinner. And I'll show you the wash if it's still flowing. Okay. So we're gonna check out this wash. All right, you got 4-wheel drive, right?
Yep.
Right. Oh, turn this off. Thank you.
Are we gonna do it?
All right, yeah. Go ahead.
We gotta wait for 4-wheel drive to kick in.
You get a good running start.
Let's make the splash. Ooh, look at it's running. Ooh.
Oh, I didn't even need 4-wheel drive.
Okay, that's what the washes look like.
There's another one down there.
Yep.
Probably took all my dirt off, damn it.
So I think that's the last one. The only one we're really going through?
Yeah.
Go into town?
I think there might be another one at the beginning here.
All right, going into town. Oh, didn't reach over the road, but we do have a little creek running alongside the road. Boy, is this gonna go all the way?
Oh, there's some up there. Here
Okay.
we go.
Ooh. Yep. Gotta get close up with that. More splashes. Watch. Ooh. Whoa.
I was looking down when that happened.
Now
You can feel it, just the force of it
Yeah.
underneath your feet.
That just like stopped the truck.
Yeah. Wow. Okay. That's the dumbass doing it.
She made me.
Yeah, right. So this is where we're coming to basics, right at the laundromat. We're gonna have open face turkey sandwiches. It's Monday, hot turkey sandwiches.
Try not to embarrass me like you did the last time we were in here.
Hey, I don't do that. He's just joking. So this is our turkey dinner for the night. I mean, we all got the same thing. So we went out for dinner, came back, and so it's really it's not raining anymore, but and the puddles are starting to disappear, except for, okay, that puddle. Let me go on this side. And what's on the tarp. We've got a little dip here, so got that puddle there. I'll wait until tomorrow morning to get in there, sweep all this off. but wasn't a bad day. Had fun playing that game. Now everybody else is out walking around, talking to my neighbors. So, been a good day. I hope you all had a good day too. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.
Chocolate. Everything else is a waste. Yeah. Everything else is needless.
How's the Sunday? Good.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming in. Strawberry toppings. Very good. I think this